What's up, car fans? Got ourselves a rare treat today. The BMW X4 M Competition 3-litre bi-turbo 510 brake horsepower, absolute beast. So we'll do a few visuals around the car, checking out the styling, some lovely front bumpers with some functional venting for the coolers. Absolutely chunky monkey, this thing. It's huge, wide, looks menacing. The bulges in the bonnet lets you know there's some epic weapon of an engine under there. Some groovy styling with the mirrors, a nice cheeky cutout. Overall, a real chunky, mean looking, menacing monster. You can see the usual BMW refinements and quality throughout. What do you reckon, Lance?
Amazing machine.
It sure is. So now time to hear this thing. Alright, go on then.
Holy crap!
Unbelievable. So now just moving on to the inside, just wanted to highlight the seats because these things are crazy cool as well, and some of the detailing on the interior, including this lovely horsey pony and numbers of torque display on the screen there, which is super handy, as we'll find out in a second.
Okay, man, let's turn and burn.
You bastard. Jeez. For a big old hill, isn't it? I think we need to turn around and go get my insides. I left them back there, man. Buttons. Okay, so great fun there. A few cheeky little flybys just to give you a taster of what this thing's about. Hope you liked the video, and if you've got spare 80 grand, go buy yourself one of these bad boys. Let's hear this thing one last time. Take it easy.